Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, chatting you up, dressing you for success. Or not. That's an interesting thought though. We often hear about dressing for success. If you want to be successful, you have to look successful, right? Well, yes and no. Yes, because there's a time and place where it's appropriate to project a business image, so other business associates will take you more seriously. And then there's a time where not dressing to impress can be a more effective way to convey how confident you are and what you believe. But whichever way you choose is fine, as long as it represents the true you and doesn't compromise your ideas. Sir Richard Branson, CEO of Virgin Group, says, "To me, business isn't about wearing suits or pleasing stockholders. It's about being true to yourself, your ideas, and focus on the essentials." I think the point is, if you have a truly great idea, a really compelling pitch, and a deep belief in your idea and dream, it won't matter how you dress, because hard work and truly great ideas will rise to the top. Ever watch that show, Undercover Billionaire? That whole show is based on the truth. That's not how others look at you, but how you look upon yourself. Success is an attitude, not a wardrobe decision. Sure, things like looking the part will help, but it can never be a replacement for being true to yourself. So dress up or dress down. Well, hell, run around with 2 Perrier bottle caps and a shoestring if you want to. Wait, not that. I'm kidding around. Probably not that. But other than that, stay true to who you are, true to your ideas, and focus on the essentials, and success will soon be yours. I've given you gold. Now run with it.